So here's my wife's golf cart, and if you remember back, I did convert it over to solar last year. And there is a one of the plastic 48 volt 100 amp hour batteries. So first thing I'm going to do is shut the old battery off, and that's the reason why I like this new battery. My wife would not carry an app, and if that battery got shut off for some reason, she couldn't use the cart and no way to turn it back on. Where this new one, basically just push a button and go. You're in good shape. And pick this battery out. That's what they look like side by side. The standard plastic case ones look like that, and these are really excellent for power storage. These are the next best thing to server rack batteries. And then there's a new one in the steel case. So I put a screw down into the plastic cart body there to hold that temporarily. And I'm going to set this one in. And it's close fit, real tight. I still have to pick up some bolts, but it fit perfectly. I really do like having the terminals on the side of this battery also. They're bolted onto a metal case, so you're never going to turn them or strip them out or anything. Really nice. And WattCycle does give you 2 different length bolts that you can use for these. Everything, really just fit in there nice. Charge controller's working, getting an amp out of it. And then I got lazy. I was going to put this up on the dashboard. And it's all in, mounted. Just have to get a little, some longer bolts to go through the bottom. But otherwise, fit nice, looks nice. And let's see how it works in a little while.